Hi, so I'm back again, IT for non-techie people. This time around, we're talking about what could make your website stand out. Because everybody these days has a thing for how they can pull web traffic to their sites and their web pages. So, hence the need for this topic. It's actually to answer some questions. Actually, that's another reason why this video is being done right now. So, what could make your website stand out? One way is quick loading pages, mobile friendliness, general accessibility, good navigation. When we talk about quick loading pages, what we are referring to is if your website stands out like this and pages you're trying to load and you keep having errors like this. This doesn't show your website was properly done, or your server, there's really not much connection. So then another thing that is important for your website is for your website to have the ability to be mobile friendly. When we talk of mobile friendly, I'm referring to a fact where your website is able to be used on a mobile phone. Mobile phone meaning that it is able to, all the other features are able to shift and align on a mobile phone. So you could talk to your developer or whoever is your content manager about making it also a mobile friendly website. Then its accessibility is another key feature. How easy is it for people to find you? How easy for people to access you? Then good navigation. When we refer to good navigation, here's what we're referring to. For example, this. You can actually click here, go to this, go to that. So we're able to move around on your website. It shows your website. It makes your website stand out. It makes people understand easily and not have to send you messages. Oh, I don't understand what this is for. They're able to move around. There's clarity of purpose and everything. So with these few points, your website can actually really stand out. Another thing that could help you in managing your website is one way which search engines find your website is by your headers and your title, embedding HTML in your header and your title, which is under the code aspect where your title under the coding is you put in your, for example, if I'm a coffee shop, I put in coffee shops in Nigeria or something that catches the attention of the search engine. So when search engines are crawling around and somebody is looking for something to do with coffee or something maybe not so close, but something that would involve coffee, my website will pop up. Another way to manage your website is web analytics. What does web analytics do? It helps you, it tells you when people are clicking, what they're doing, if they are trying to make a sale or trying to find where to buy this. So it even also gives you an insight, a deep insight to how they go through your website. Say they come here, they click here, get this form, purchase this, go to this, order this, and all that. So it tells you how useful your website is. Then you could have resources, forms, things like you could query them from your web server, whereby when they fill in a form, it goes into your web server like a database of their email address. You could use that email address for email marketing in turn. Then you could have what's called Content Manager. You could install it. There are different versions you install. It helps you manage your website better when you need to update information, when you need to put in data, or you need to upload stuff on your website that you need to change, or you need new content on your website. So basically, Content Manager can help you do that. So it's not really a person per se. It could actually be a person, and you could actually use tools. They're actually content management tools that help. What it does is that it just helps you to actually know, okay, I'm adding in this part of my folder, or in this folder I'm adding to my website or my top bar. I want to add this, or I want to change the logo from this position to this part. I want to put this here, I want to take this there. That's simply what it does. Bye now. Hope you've learned a lot. Hope this video was useful to you. Stick with me around and learn more. IT for non-techie people. Bye now.